Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got you guys a banger. So I'm going to be telling you guys the top penny stocks to buy right now during this dip. Everybody's telling you guys to buy the bigger stocks like SPY, Nvidia, stuff like that during the dip, but nobody is telling you guys to buy penny stocks. With that being said, I do recommend being a little bit more patient, wait until the sell-off is over. But with that being said, with the tariffs and everything like that already official, and I mean, we still got like maybe like one more month of these tariffs that's going to bring down the market. After that, I think we're going to kind of balance out, reach a bottom, come back up. With that being said, we are looking pretty bearish overall, but we are making some bottoms, as you guys can see towards the bottom right. We basically kind of been bouncing off, kind of looking like a bottom, but not quite. I'm not gonna say it's quite a bottom. It's the 4 hour time frame on the SPY, but we do kind of look like we've hit kind of a bottom, and we've kind of been bouncing off this line for a little bit. With that being said, I'm not saying it's a bottom at all. We can break below it, and we're pretty close to it. But if we could start filling up maybe 50% back up to the upside, we will be looking bullish once again. With that being said, the best time to buy the dip is any time, honestly, and just dollar cost average into it. With that being said, penny stocks are more volatile and they can drop even more. So I will have patience when I'm investing into these, but these are some of the top penny stocks that are moving pretty decently and that can move upwards even more. With that being said, with penny stocks selling off, you can see them once we get like a buyback and a bullish trend with the market overall. You can see some decent gains with them. This is kind of more short term and long term, but I do recommend having your patience because you can lose a lot of money. With that being said, warning, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you guys what to buy, hold, or sell. I'm telling you guys ideas and stuff like that, kind of penny stocks to keep on your watch list to say, and just watch. And then once you start looking bullish, it's never really late, honestly. Wait until the market's looking bullish and we kind of see it overall bullish, overall hit a bottom. You get into these penny stocks then. So do have your patience, but have these on your watch list and watch them frequently. That being said, a little sell-off slide. Robinhood and Coinbase are good apps to use. If you guys use my links below, you guys get free stocks and coins. With that being said, with Coinbase, you can win one Bitcoin, which is worth like I think 90,000 right now. Bitcoin's moving pretty decent. First one, we're talking about a sound on AI. This isn't really a penny stock, but this is a stock that can move pretty decently. We did have some bad news with Nvidia kind of not really using them no more to say selling off and using other people. But with that being said, once we hit a bottom on this, you can probably get maybe 50% to 100% gains. So keep SoundHound on your radar. I think it's trading at like $10 right now, like flat as of the making of this video. With that being said, you can see it maybe make 15, go back up to that 15 level, and maybe even that $20 level. But if you guys don't know what SoundHound is, it's basically just an AI voice technology offering solutions to enable human computer interactions. With that being said, other companies are using SoundHound, like they're using it for, restaurants. You can order with their AI or talk to them basically, and then the AI talks back to you. People are using them in cars and other things like that. So the demand is pretty high. So yeah. Next one is quantum computing. This one is not really a penny stock anymore, but they're still doing pretty decent, especially with the growing quantum computing out there. And the good news that I think Microsoft gave, saying that we can have quantum computing within the next couple of years. And I think somebody did come out with a chip. I forgot who it was. I'm sorry. It's a big company though. I think Amazon or I think Microsoft actually came out with a chip officially. So quantum computing is coming back like bigger, and it's not going to take decades. It's going to take years. So this is a stock that's going to be growing. So keep this one on your mind and on your radar. Just wait until we get some good quantum computing news, and then you guys can buy into it. That's when it normally pops. Next one is Blade Air Mobility. This is they're basically Uber, but like more luxury to say. So they do like helicopters, future electric vertical takeoff and landing. I'm sorry, I had to read that. Electric vertical takeoff and landing. With that being said, this is a decent one. They got decent demand, but you got to really see how it is with market uncertainty and stuff like that. It's not really a decent stock to get into right now, but I do recommend waiting until we get a dip and you can get a little bit of some profit off this one. Next one we're going to talk about is BZUN. So their e-commerce services. With that being said, this is a China business. But with that being said, with the tariffs and everything like that, it will be affecting the stock price a little bit. But once we balance off with tariffs and stuff like that, and or get tariffs, removed, potentially that's kind of in the making. Like maybe we do have a pause on automotives. stuff like that. I think that came out today. But with that being said, if we can get some good news with tariffs, this stock can pop up. Next one we're going to talk about is CRDF, and they're basically in a clinical stage biotechnology company developing treatments for cancer patients. With that being said, biotechnology is a decent stock to look at, but in the clinical stage, it's not really that good. It has high volatility, still trades pretty low, but once they come out with something good or with some good news, it pops off. So keep this on your mind and on your radar. This is a good one to just, put a couple $100 in and just wait for some good news and sell then. Next one we're going to talk about is microcloud. Basically, they're in holographic technology. They basically have holographic technology services globally. They recently announced technical solutions using fast driving protocol, and this is just a decent one to just have on your radar. Just another penny stock that I looked into in the past, and it's still moving pretty decently. Another one is Faraday Future Intelligent Electric, basically just an EV company. Basically, EV sales are doing decent. Tesla itself isn't doing decent. I wouldn't look at Tesla as an EV sale right now, just how it's moving and all the bad news that it's been getting. But with that being said, this company is doing pretty decent and a pretty decent company to look at once they come out with their car and just see how the sales and stuff like that goes. Another one is I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. APM, and they're in the biopharmaceutical too. It's another clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. So just like I said with the last one, it's basically the same thing. Just they're focusing on unmet needs. So if they can come out with something good, their stock price can rise. We got another one, EQ. They're in the biotechnology also, clinical stage also. Same thing as last one. They have no debt though, so this one kind of looks more promising and more safer to get into. Next one is IMPP. So they basically just transports oils, refineries, stuff like that. Basically in a trading company. Tariffs can kind of affect it a little bit, but not really. But keep this on your mind and on your radar. But with that being said, I'm sorry I sped around this video. I didn't want it to be too long. I just wanted to give you guys stocks to add to your watch list basically. So if you guys are interested in any of these or have any more questions, you guys can comment down below or join our Discord and ask in the Discord. I don't really mind. It might be faster if you text on Discord, or even honestly, I'll be reading the comments. So you guys can do it both ways. But thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. Have those post notifications on so you guys never miss out on an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna make a market outlook video. Gonna put more time and effort into that one. This one was just a fast video. Put this together within a couple of minutes. But I did do a lot of research because I'm looking into penny stocks now. Now that we're kind of looking like we hit a bottom, but not really. But it's kind of slowing down, going to the downside. So I think loading up with some penny stocks isn't a bad idea. But only put money in that you're willing to lose. Understand that, because you might lose some money. So just do a lot of research before you guys invest in any of these. But zero hard-earned money. I don't want y'all to waste it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment W you guys watch till the end. Peace out.